In this section, we will learn about curves. Curves mainly used for creating 3D surfaces. But before creating 3D surfaces, you have to learn about curves. You can create curves from self. These all are curve creating tools. Or we can also access from create menu. Mainly two types of curves available. First is shapes, circle and square, and second one is curve tools, all these. First, create circle and square. I click on this thick line so it will tear off from menus, and you can set this box anywhere in your viewport. I choose circle. You can also click on this setting box, so tool setting will appear. These tool settings available for all primitives and curves. First parameters is sweep angle. So if it's 360, it's mean a closed circle will create. Second option, linear or cubic. It's related to smoothness of curve. Third option is sections, number of sections. These are control points. And radius, the size of circle. You can fill these values, or if you want to reset this, click on this button. Okay, so I just change radius value here and close, no need to apply, and just click. So it's a first method of creating any shape. Or second method is click again on circle tool, click and drag. It's an interactive way. Make sure these checkboxes are active. If you want to modify this circle, go to attribute editor and check make nerve circle. Now you can change sweep, radius or degree, linear and cubic, and sections. Sections are control point on this curve. Right click and hold and choose control vertices. So these are control points. You can select and choose move tool and modify by using these control points. For exit, right click and hold and choose object. So there are two methods of creating nerve shapes. First is by using tool settings, and second is interactive method. And if you want to modify these shapes, right click and hold and choose control points. There are some other options like hulls, but we will discuss about these options in later classes. For exit these modification mode, just right click and choose object mode. Similarly, you can also create nerve square. First I delete these shapes. I choose selection tools, select and delete, and choose again. You can also click and fill the values or parameters in this window, but I create in interactive. Okay, first deselect and then select again. So there are options related to width, length, okay. Cubic, and there no need to because square is a linear shape, so no need to change cubic and linear. Select again and hit delete button. Second option of creating curve is by using curve tools. I click on this thick line. First option is CV curve. I move to top viewport by pressing spacebar, choose CV curve tool and click on your viewport. When you click 3 point, the curvature is linear. Curve start from fourth point. When you click on fourth point, a smooth curved line will appear, and when you click on viewport, so these control points in red color lines control of this curvature. So these click points are not on curvature, so it's a CV curve tool. Hit enter to exit creation mode. I just shift in right side. Now I choose EP curve tool and start creating points. So these control points are on curve. It's a EP curve creation method. So both tools are similar, no difference. You can create by any tool, and modification options also same. You can control these points to control these curvature, and same as in CV curve tool also. Right click and hold and choose control vertex, and same options are available here also. So after exit creation method, both curve are same, but creation method is little bit different. I exit from modification mode, select both tools and hit delete button. Third option is Bezier curve tool. It's a little bit different from these two. Click and hold and drag left or right. So these are tangent points. When you click and hold again, so these tangent lines control the curvature like this. Hit enter to exit creation mode and right click and hold and choose control vertices. So these tangent points also available here, but these points are not available in CV curve and EP curve. If you want to control, if you want to change curvature, choose these points and move like this, or change length. So it's a different type of curve creation method like this. Select these points and change like this. Right click and hold and choose object mode to exit modification process. Select and delete. Fourth option is pencil tool. It's a freeform curve creation method. Click and drag. So it's a quite simple, and you can click and drag next time also to still exit. So if you want to exit from this pencil curve tool, choose select tool. I just select. And one more thing, modification options are still same, so you can select and choose move tool, and you can also